Good evening, everybody. I'm Pierre Roberge, the Daily Trader. It is February 18th, and we are going to take a look at Palantir stock from a technical analysis perspective. My goal in doing these videos is to help you understand how you can use technical analysis to make better trading and investing decisions. But I am not a financial advisor, so please do your own research and make your own decisions. Palantir, it's falling like a rock. We are down 75 cents, 6.37%, closed at $11.02. Post-market, we are up 3 cents. Look at the volume on this thing. Look at the volume here. I think people are dropping this. People are dropping this. We broke 1194 yesterday, so we continued our descent today. Let's go see the 1-hour chart. So the first hour of the day, so big drop on the first hour of the day, and then it maintained itself pretty good. The biggest volume of the day was right here. So there was a little bit of buying here to maintain the stock at this point. Everything else on the indicators is bearish. On the daily chart, yes, of course, we have lost this stochastic over 60. So we had lost it even yesterday. Should have done this yesterday. In terms of, so MACD is still is still crossed over bullish. I don't know for how long this is going to happen. At this rate, it won't last very long. So what can we expect right now? So we have this, let me just adjust this a little bit. So we have this downward channel that we are going to have to extend. We are going to have to extend this because we are going in the downward direction. Let me just do this here. So we might be following this support here. So I have this at around $10. So I would not be surprised that we reach $10. $10. And we also have, and the ultimate floor is $9. So choose your pick. We might be going down to $9 very slowly and slowly over the next couple of weeks. This is what we have right now. We cannot fight it. We can just embrace it, and we can maybe rethink that maybe I'm going to start doing another stock than Palantir because there is no point in covering a stock that is just dropping. Even though this is a great company, I think it's a great company. I think that the management is smart. I don't think they are great salespeople and PR people. So that might be one of their problems. But I still believe in their technology, but I prefer to put my money in a stock that goes up instead of into a stock that goes down. This brings me to a pet peeve of mine when I hear people on YouTube. If you believe in the company, buy it for long term, buy it for long term, buy the dip. You would have bought the dip since $30. So that's a lot of dip to be buying. And in the stock market, we need to buy low and sell high. And we need to wait until the low has been done and it starts to go back up again. This is how we know that the low has been reached. If not, we are going to buy this low right here, this low right here, this low right here, this low right here, this low right here. You could be buying a lot of dips, but I think that this buying the dip thing is only good when you are in a bull trend. If you are in a bull trend, if you buy here and then it goes back up and comes back down a little bit, but remains within a bull trend, then you can buy again. You can buy that dip and you can buy this other dip here. But once it starts to go down and once you're in a downtrend, if you buy the dip, you are only buying high and seeing the stock going lower and lower and lower. And in order to recoup your investment, you need to sell super high. So instead, when you are in a downtrend, let it drop and then pick it back up again. And yes, this is timing the market. This is timing the market, and timing the market is not that bad and it's not that hard. Just use a moving average to time the market. You could do that. Just use a moving average. This is the 50-day moving average. You can use that to time the market. You would have sold on November 8th and you would not have bought yet, which would have been a great decision. So it's not that hard to time the market. Anyway, That's my spiel. That's my opinion. You make your own decisions. Thank you very much for watching. Thank you for liking, commenting, subscribing. If you like what I do, you can become a YouTube member. You can also click on my TradingView affiliate link. I'm going to wish you a great weekend. We are going to do a live for my YouTube members on Sunday. And we are going to talk on Tuesday after President's Day. So have a great weekend. And I'm going to tell you à la prochaine.